Margret is a business tycoon. Margret, she's a business guru, money making machine.
What is this? Ekene? This is for just 2 days. Where's my money for 5 days now? Or did the police catch you again?
No, madam. No.
So where's my money and stop wasting my time?
My wife took it. My wife took the money. That was why I did not bring money for you yesterday. But I promise you, give me some time. I'll bring the money for you.
It's like I did not hear you well. Your wife took my money. You did not tell her it's my money, Okwe. Did you tell her it's my money?
Madam, I did though. I told her the money belongs to my madam, but my wife is so stubborn and reckless. She still went ahead and took the money from me.
She's stubborn, eh? My keys.
Madam, please.
Yeah, my keys!
Madam, please.
Anne!
Madam, please.
Go.
Madam, please.
Give this money. Eh? And take care of this.
Madam, because
she's mad.
Madam,
she took my money. She's very mad.
Please give me my credit.
Give you what? If I knock your head now, come on, get out from here. Go away from here.
Please now, please.
You will vomit that money. You will vomit it.
Madam, be concerned. Madam, be concerned. Madam, be concerned. Please don't kill her for me.
If you touch me, I will remove your feet. Come out. Where's my money? Where is my money?
Madam, please.
Where's my money?
You kill her for me.
Where's my money? Can I go?
Please, you kill her for me.
Where's my money? Where is it?
Where's the money?
The money. Your money. Okay. It's in my handbag. Yeah.
Put on the bag.
Which my bag?
Which of the bag?
Go in my handbag. Because you're not scared of me. I will not try it again. I'm sorry. You will not try it again. I'm dead. You've killed me. I'm dead. You have money to buy handbag, but you don't have money to put inside. You have to take my money to put it inside your handbag. It is God that is killing you, not me. I will deal with it. You forget me. Where are you?
Put on the bag.
The black and white. The black and white. By the side. Nice money. Hey. I no Hey, somebody will go to hell because this money is not complete. Okay. Ozube!
Okay, ma. Madam, look at how this one, I promise you. I'll bring the balance later. Add this one to it.
Mbone?
I'll bring it for you.
To God who made me, if you do not get my money for me, I will come back here. And when I come back here, you know what will happen. Thank you. Come and thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You dear. You want to come and shut up here. Thank you. Margret. Let me come back here.
Margret is a business tycoon. She's a business guru, money making machine. Maggie no dey look for wahala at all. But if wahala come, Maggie go handle. If Maggie hate you, you are in trouble. She go show you better until you hear her. If Maggie love you, now another big wahala. You be private property for only Maggie. She go follow you, they go where you dey go. Now him they say no woman go fit talk to you, because Margret is a jealous lover. When she love you, she don't love you.
Sorry, oh. Ndo.
Don't even talk to me, oh. Don't try talking to me here, oh. Hope you're getting it. Shameless husband, an ordinary lady, came into this compound and almost killed your wife. You couldn't do anything. You were just standing there like a he-goat.
Why didn't you fight for yourself?
Shameless man.
Why did you not fight for yourself? Is she not a woman like you? Eh? Grace, is she not a woman like you? So you expect me to fight my madam? You want me to beat my madam? My own madam? God forbid. I will never beat a woman. I will never do it.
I can't believe I married you. Eh? I regret ever marrying you as a husband. It's okay, please.
Why did I even come to tell you sorry? Eh? Why did I come to tell you sorry? After all, you brought this upon yourself. Now enjoy the pain. Now tell me, now that my madam has collected the keke that used to put food on our table, what are we going to be eating from now on? What are we going to be eating? If we go see you, hunger will kill us in this house.
And let me tell you this also. For this singular act, I will make sure you suffer in this house. Yes, I promise you that. Kai bet, let's bet. You must suffer in this house. I'll deal with you in this house. Eh? I promise you that though. The battle line has been drawn. Just wait for me. It's okay now. Come back, Abiko. Stay away from you. I'll kill you in this house. Stay away from me. Let me not put my anger on you. What rubbish.
Young man.
Sir.
How can you be this reckless and unaccountable? Just take a look at yourself. A bicepsly developed man, spiritually regimented. There is no vacuum in your brain. And you allow a common woman that uses her left hand to clean her anus to push you around. Can you beat that? Look at what that has gotten you into.
Please, sir. I'm sorry. My wife is very stubborn and reckless. Ma, sir, please help me beg her. Beg her for me. My life depends on that keke. I depend on that keke. That keke is my source of livelihood. If she doesn't give me back the keke, I and my family will starve. We will die of hunger.
Point of correction. Your life do not depend on that Keke. Your life depends on the omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscience God.
Yes.
But that notwithstanding, did she say she won't give it back to you?
Yes. She bluntly refused. She said she won't give it back to me.
Don't worry.
Get them.
We will talk to her.
Get them.
But we can't make any promises. If she decides to give you back the Keke, just to make sure that this doesn't happen again.
I promise you, it will never happen again.
Thank you. You can exit now.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you, ma'am. God bless you, sir.
Here you go.
My baby girl, just the way I like it. Hot.
Yes, Daddy.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I am having this pepper soup with you today.
Supported. Supported.
It's good to share together, man.
We will share. We will share.
Okay, I'll be inside.
Come, Margret. Come. A young man came here yesterday lamenting furiously. Yeah, he said you stripped him of his work tool, the tricycle.
Daddy, please, forget that chapter. It's already closed. Let him go and look for another place to work. I mean, I can't work with him anymore. Please, eat your food before it gets cold.
I knew she wouldn't change her mind.
But at least, we'll try to convince her. My dear, ravish this hot pepper soup.
No, you got... Margret, please get me extra spoon. Margret! Extra spoon.
Use this.
Don't want to go catching it.
This virgin the
be
pepper
catching it. I'm coming. My spoon is coming. That's it. Thank you.
That's usual.
That's my love.
Do you know that you're still beautiful?
Don't flatter me.
Forever green.
Don't
And that's why I'm looking younger.
Mm.
Yeah. There is a like biggest like according to the
Okay, have it.
If I'm awake and so what? Eh? All out okay. What is it? What do you want?
Baby, don't you feel like doing it?
Oh, see? Doing what? Eh? Doing what?
Baby, you know it's been long we did it. And it's not good for a man not to do it to his wife.
Does that thing not have a name?
Stop pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Grace, you know what I'm talking about. Baby, I'm feeling you, please.
Don't touch me. Stop. Stop it. Don't touch me.
Please, now.
Please, now. Ikona. Please, now. You have not seen anything yet. You see you? You know what is conjure? It will kill you for me in this house. Next time, you will be careful. Shebi, it is me, eh? You went to report to that local Evander Holyfield. And she came here and tore my delicate skin with her iron fist. Mwah! Hey! She disgraced me for nothing.
Baby,
we'll pay for it.
It's all your fault too. You caused it. Shebi, I've apologized. I've told you I'm sorry.
Oh, see?
I'm sorry.
Let me tell you, I have not started with you yet. By the time I start with you, you will regret the day you met me. I swear.
Baby, remember we wedded in church, and God is against this thing you are doing to me. Baby, you're my wife. I'm feeling you.
I'm feeling you.
Grace, didn't you see me?
Are you insinuating that I am blind? Eh?
So why didn't you greet me? Why didn't you greet me?
Let me remind you, wives greet their husbands when they return from a hard day's job. Unlike you. I don't even know where you're coming from. Rubbish.
So it has gotten to this.
Oh yes, it has. Oh.
Were you not the one that made me jobless? Were you not the one that made me to lose my job?
Look at this man, oh. Eh? Look at this old man. Hey! You are looking for who to blame for your laziness. Eh? Mr. Isilkwacha? Hey!
Grace Zokwanike. Eh? Zokwanike. I don't have strength. Please, I don't have strength to banter words with you.
Better.
Just go into the house and get me my food to eat. Please, I'm very famished. What are you still doing here? Go into the house and get me my food, woman! Go in there and get me my food!
Yes, sir.
Voila.
Okay. Oh yeah. Are you okay here? Oh, I should keep it here.
No, it's okay. Okay. You have it.
Thank you.
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
Like, I don't understand.
Why will you serve me eba without soup? Why?
My husband, this is the only gari left in that kitchen. Oh. So please, manage it. Oh. If you like, swallow it. If you like, eat it.
Grace, what are you expecting me to eat the eba with? What? I thought I gave you money before I left the house this morning.
Which money?
Oh, Grace, I gave you 2,000 naira to prepare good soup for me. And 2,000 naira is enough for you to prepare a decent soup for me.
If I were you, my husband, I will conserve the little energy left. Rubbish. One more thing. If you want to eat in this house, bring money. I mean reasonable money. I will be in my room waiting for you.
Grace, you're heartless.
I'm ready for the master. I'm ready for the master.
I never taught you this, woman. You're wicked.
Ekene, huh? What are you doing here sitting like this? Are you not working?
Haven't you heard? My madam seized my keke key. She took it away from me.
Sorry. I didn't hear. What happened?
My brother, the worst thing that can happen to you is to marry a bad wife. The woman that I married with my hard-earned money took the money that was meant for our madam. She took it, and that made madam to collect my keke keys. She took my keke from me. She took it.
Oh, wow. Have you begged her?
Begged her? My brother, I have begged madam. I even begged her parents to beg her for me. But she refused to give me the key. She refused. I'm confused.
Ekene, there is only one person that can help you talk to her. But if she doesn't forgive you, then forget it.
Who is this person? Please, I beg you in the name of God. Help me to talk to Margret. Please. Please. If you don't talk to her, hunger will kill me and my family. We will starve. My wife is the one that caused this. That is the result I get for marrying a bad woman. Please help me talk to Margret.
Listen, Ekene. You can't be blaming your wife for all your problems and misfortunes. Eh? You have not been keeping up with the weekly payment, have you?
No, I am not the cause of it. My wife, she's the cause of that one too. Yes, she has been taking the money from where I used to keep it.
It's okay. Let's not just go into details. Eh? I will help you talk to Margret. But it's not just talking to Margret. You yourself, you have to step up.
I promise you, I will step up. I will step up my pay. I'll step up.
It's alright. It's alright. I was busy before you came, man. Let me quickly finish what I was doing.
It's okay.
It's alright.
Thank you so much. Please, don't forget. Please.
I will.
I'm counting on you. Thank you.
He go show you Margret. If you look for Margret, trouble. Margret, he go give you the Margret, Margret, Margret is a business tycoon. She's a business guru, money making machine. Maggie know the look.
See who we have here. Boom, boom.
Omalicham.
Boom, boom, Kemo.
Look at you. It's gorgeous.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You're looking super special today. Even your makeup.
Which makeup?
Everything about you. Let me even take a good look at you. Who is there, Chica? Oh, Ann, come.
Welcome, sir.
How are you? Please get me one hot plate of pepper soup and chilled soft drink for your madam. On me. Yes.
Hold on first. Boo boo.
Ow.
Boo boom.
What
is going on?
What is going on? Nothing is going on. You see, I made some money. And I want to spoil you a bit.
It's so boom boom. Chica, you can go.
Okay. It's about your keke rider.
Please. I don't want to have anything to do with that guy ever again in my life. And I've already told him that. I have told him.
Honey, listen to me.
I don't want that guy to work for me again. That guy is trouble. Hey, his troubles are too much and I cannot deal with them again. Biko.
I understand. But I am begging you. Please give him another chance. For my sake. If you don't give him back his means of livelihood, his wife and children will suffer from it.
That man does not deserve a second chance. Trust me. He doesn't.
Honey, look. We all deserve second chances. Please, just do it for my sake. I am the one begging you. Oh, Mama. Echetobi esieke. Onye Dikeh.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Listen,
see that
listen.
I love.
Go, Joe. That's how you always. See, I am only doing this for you. For you, oh.
Thank you, honey. Thank you. I'm sure he won't mess up again and he will step up. So, can we have our pepper soup now?
I can now take my hot pepper soup and my cold drink.
Chica! Bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it.
When a soldier fall in love, troubles we run away. But if a superwoman fall in love, you can want to happen in there.
Ekene? Good to see you.
Thank God I saw you. I was on my way to your house.
Oh.
God will bless you, my brother, for what you did for me. I'm really grateful. I'm happy.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just try not to annoy her again.
Am I mad? I promise you, I won't annoy her again. From today, I'll be a good man.
That's fine.
I will always deliver as usual.
Good.
You know what? Let me go back home since I've delivered.
How is your wife?
My wife, she's fine, but stubborn as usual.
Women are always like that.
They're always like that, my brother.
Again, I'm back. I'm talking to you now.
Where's the money?
Here is the money.
Hope that money is complete.
Yes, it is. You can count it yourself.
Let this be the last time you go close to my money, especially my madam's money. Else you have her to contend with.
I have heard you.
Now go get my food. If you like, bring water or kerosene.
Ah, my husband. Eh? Don't you forget things. Something that happened which day. You're still reminding me of it. Ah.
Now go get my food.
I'll get your food.
I have now found the perfect scarecrow for you. Let me see how you go close to my money next time. The fear of Margret in this community is the beginning of wisdom for everybody, especially my wife. Oh, Margret.
My God, you are too much.
Yes.
I know I have a personal relationship with you. My son has gained admission into the university.
Yes, sir.
Mama,
it was equal. Mama undergraduate.
Hey!
University.
Hey! Mama undergrad.
Mama undergraduate.
Mama undergrad. Hey! Nam, the Lord, that gave you this admission will also provide the money.
Amen.
He will provide the money.
Amen. Mama, he has already provided it.
Are you serious?
Mama, Margret has promised to pay all my fees. Mama, she even transferred 50,000 naira into my account for my clearance and registration.
You have 50,000 naira in your account.
50,000. And she said she's going to pay the school fees, the faculty fees, departmental fees, all the fish.
How Chukuna? Okay, can't you come Maggie? That is why I'm always talking about Maggie. I have always warned you. Treat that girl with caution. She is too much.
Yes.
If one got sent into this family.
Okay.
Hey, Maggie. Maggie abusi ezigbo mmadụ ọ na-atọ ọtọ luka Maggie na-etinye n'ime ofe. Ọmụbamo. See, Maggie, God will replenish your pocket.
Amen.
Anything na-atụbara anya. Maggie Chukwu ga-ebunye gị enu. Ebe ọ bụ na ije aga na-etu Maggie. Ọ na nka abịago. Na ọ bụrụ na nka ka bịara sị m kwu ofu aka m abịa Maggie. Pay your fees for you. Oh, Maggie, 50,000 naira. May have to check one choncho because maybe I can wait tell you.
Hey, disappear now and go and learn. This one is leaving us. No problem.
Of course now.
Me, I will hustle. I will make it.
Already here we eat. All village eat can't chow. All eat for life.
Nam. Hey, I will miss you too. Biko, as you go back, be a good boy. Concentrate on your studies. Always remember your mother and Maggie. And Biko, come home more often so that I can monitor you. No problem, Mama. Hey.
Academia succeed. So you will now go to school and become a graduate. I have only to believe on over. 19 or here.
Margret, you know what the friend was asking him? All these bags you are carrying, how do you intend to carry them? Now Margret on board.
They will know my book.
Come on, be going. No time.
Are
you going back to
how will Margret
I will not notice anybody today. My book is going back to school. Please.
Hey,
come, why will Margret see you where Chibus was? When Chibus was here, Margret will notice you. How?
Chibus on my man.
Hey,
Dikeh is too.
when I see you, I know that your father is still here with us. Now you're going.
Oh, God, leave your mother. Leave your mother. Go to school. Go to school. It's okay. It's okay. You come back again.
Mama.
Mama, stop crying now. We are still here in this village.
I know you're still here.
Okay, Mama, see. You will always come around to help you with everything that Chibuzo used to do.
I know, but you people are dark.
We are dark in
You're not as strong as my son.
Hey, Mama, stop crying.
Mama, don't cry.
fight, but I go fight for you. And anything will worry you, they worry me too. I no go fit leave you for another baby, oh. I go hustle to see I make the money. I go make sure say me and you the jolly.
This is it.
No, they are guys.
Okay. What on this one?
I did not meet the person when I came.
You should have checked now.
Baby, I like it. I think it's fine.
Yes. Okay. We'll just drop your things and then we'll go and buy food and other things you need.
Okay.
Come and see me.
If you know what wahala, leave my baby, leave my baby, leave am for me, oh. Leave my baby, oh. When a hunter fall in love, bush meat go dey plenty. When a soldier fall in love, troubles will run away. But if a superwoman fall in love, you can want to happen in there. Don't touch my baby, oh. If you don't want my wahala, those girls with the shine teeth with my blue baby, you they look forward.
Wow. Thank you so much, Margret.
You're welcome, Daddy.
It's good to see you smiling again.
Don't mind her. You see, this girl almost skinned me alive just because of that young man. I hope the young man is settled in now.
Yes, he is, and thank you so much, Daddy. I really appreciate it.
I can see you're grinning from chin to chin. Very happy. Margret, it's like you're just forgetting something here. Or have you forgotten? You don't want me to pull down your business again. Honestly, I commend your magnanimity. This one is rather too big. It's very embarrassing.
Daddy, your stomach cannot pull my shop down now. Leave that thing.
Let's ravish this paper soup. Okay. It's a special one.
Yes,
Can you imagine? So she can be this lively. I'm going to do wonderful justice to this.
I don't know your justice this time.
Hello? Are you alright? Are you alright? Why then are you crying?
Nothing.
Look, whatever it is that is making you cry in school must be serious. Please share it with me. I won't let you go until you tell me. Come on.
have quiz in 2 hours. And I don't have the lecturer's textbook. So I won't be able to sit for it.
Have you tried talking to the lecturer? He may let you sit for the quiz.
He won't. He won't accept. He won't.
Is he that mean? How much is the textbook?
2,000.
Go and buy the textbook.
I can't accept that.
You have to. Unless you want to fail this course and carry it over, then it will cause you more problem. Come on, go ahead, take it.
Thank you so much. You don't know what you have done for me. Thank you. God bless you. I'm very grateful. Thank you.
It's okay. God bless you too. Okay? Now hurry, okay? You don't have much time.
How long will you be here? You're still here?
Yes, I'll still be here.
Okay, I'll be back. Thank you.
Hello, love.
Ah. Boo boo. Boo boo. How are you?
I'm fine, but I'm exhausted.
Yeah. Sorry, oh?
Thank you. How are you?
I'm not fine, no. I'm not fine at all. I miss you too much.
I miss you more.
But tell me, have you eaten?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Just try and rest very well, okay? And then, be a good boy. Don't look at any campus girl, oh. Yeah, hearing me. Don't look at any campus girl there, oh.
What campus girl? I'm not looking at any girl here.
Ah, good. Boo boo mo. Boo boo kemo. Boo boo Maggie. I love you.
I love you too.
Take care of yourself. Oh?
Bye.
When a hunter fall in love, bushmeat go dey plenty. When a soldier fall in love, troubles will run away. But if a superwoman fall in love, you can want to happen in
Anne!
Don't touch my baby.
Anne!
You don't want my wahala.
How are you doing?
I was cleaning up the plate.
I hope my pepper soup is not burning.
No, ma, no, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes,
go and check now. Because soon na happen can make any. If I don't talk, you will not act.
Yes, I did. See, I wasn't able to answer true, but I'm sure of the ones I did. Then you have nothing to worry about. I was lucky to sit for the test. Seriously.
How do you mean?
It was a miracle. I didn't have money for the test book, so I was somewhere there crying. A good Samaritan student came to my rescue. He gave me 2,000 naira for it.
Wow. That means you pay him in kind. You know he took your number.
No, he didn't. He wasn't even interested in knowing my name. Seriously. Yeah.
Wow, are you serious?
That Mr. Njoko na winch. That man finished me. I don't just write anything. Nothing I write.
Even by the time I returned, I didn't even see he was nowhere to be found.
I don't meet such guys.
You will meet them.
When?
I don't even know his name. I don't know his name. You didn't tell me his name. Seriously. Yeah.
Do such guys still exist?
Don't worry, we'll meet him. But I don't know his name.
How come I don't meet such men?
I don't know.
Alex, how far now?
Babe, how was the test?
He's strong.
Man.
I didn't even write anything
That
at all.
man wicked.
That Mr. Njoko na winch.
I'm very happy. I answered everything.
Are you serious?
You sure say you know what you write to?
I know.
even managed to answer too.
Me, I don't know what I write. I beg you. I'll go meet her later. No, we'll meet her later now.
What? I don't know.
Me, I'll go meet her more because me, I be olodo for this kind of matter.
No wahala na babe, more dey push.
Right, later now. Take care. Right.
Who's it?
Eva.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I brought you lunch.
Oh wow.
I made a little too much.
Thank you, but I've had lunch.
Then you can keep it for dinner.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'll come back for the plates. Chip is alright?
Yes, Chip is.
Okay. I hope you've not forgotten my name. It's Helen.
Yes, Helen. What a delightful name.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Bye.
Thank God for dinner.
So you have the guts to cheat on me with that dirty girl? You shameless thing.
Oh, you were talking as if you've not cheated on me before?
I've
You think I don't know?
I've never cheated on you.
You've not cheated on me before?
Yes.
You can pretend for all I care. See, let me tell you, I have your records. I have your records with Spiff.
What about records?
I have your records with
What's
Star.
even Spiff?
You don't know Spiff! Spiff that used to come and carry you with Venza!
See, I'm not even that Venza before. I'm not even seeing Venza with my eyes.
See, Anita, you can lie. Anita, you can lie for Africa.
I'm not lying.
You can lie for Africa. Okay, you don't know Spiff, Abby. What about Francis? Okay. What about Francis?
Who is Jennifer?
Jennifer is just me. Jennifer.
You see yourself? Who is Jennifer?
Oh, who is Francis? Who is Francis?
Who is Ngozi? See yourself?
See, I already know that you've cheated on me before. So
you cannot keep this thing one.
If you've cheated on me, I have to go to cheat on you too. What about your HOD?
My HOD? I only went to his office to submit
How many times will you submit an assignment?
It's
How
only
many
one
times?
assignment they give.
Let me tell you something. I have your records. I have your records with Stan.
You don't have.
Okay, what about Francis?
Who is Francis?
You don't know Francis again?
Francis is my mother's sister.
Which of you? Oh, God. Francis is your mother's sister. Anita, why are you?
I wanted to see my mother.
You wanted to say nothing. I have your records and you started to cheat on me.
Hey, just hold it there.
There is no one getting involved.
Yeah.
Who is Ngozi?
Oh, Ngozi was my cousin sister.
Who is Jennifer?
Jennifer, you are acting as if you don't know Jennifer.
I don't know
Jennifer is my close friend.
Your cousin. Yes.
You're such a fantastic.
Mary, not Jennifer.
Oh,
Thank
Mary.
you.
Yes, Mary. Who's the former close friend? Oh, you are talking as if you don't know Francis. Who is Francis? Who is Francis?
Francis is my mother's sister.
The plates? No. I'll get them to your room.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Somebody should separate them. It might trigger into a fight.
Please forget this too. So I'll be waiting in my room.
Okay. I'll get it to your room. Okay. All right.
You've lost so much weight. Eh?
Mama, I've been eating well, but the stress in that school.
Well, that is what university is all about. The stress. Other people pass through it and they still came out successful. You will pass through it and come out successful.
Amen.
Mama,
I have really missed your meals.
Hey.
So delicious.
And I've missed you eating my meals. Do you know when I come out to eat, it's just to sumo all alone. And I'll be thinking of you and praying. And I won't eat much. I'm glad you're back. Oh? Now guess what? Imakwa Maggie. She's been coming here buying food stuff for me. I'm telling you. When you see her, thank her for me.
Mama, no problem. I'll definitely thank her for you. She's been wonderful and amazing.
I know.
Mama, you need to see all the wonderful things she bought for me after paying my rent and fees.
How?
That girl,
That girl is special. That girl is special. I don't know what would have done without her. But now, you need to take her seriously. There are so many men out there. Once they notice the kind of girl she is, they will want to snatch her from you.
Mama, don't you trust me?
I trust you.
I won't let you down.
Okay, you had better not. The way you're eating this meal, do you want more? Because should I bring the other immediately?
Immediately now, Mama, you know me is so delicious. I'm home.
I have missed you so much.
I've missed you more. I've missed you much more. My mother told me all the things you've been doing for her. How you've been coming around the house to help her. And all the good things you bought for her. Thank you.
Please stop it. It's nothing now. I mean, she's my mother too, and I'm going to take care of her the way I take care of my own mother.
That's nice. Yeah, she's your mother, but you see, it's meant a lot to us. Thank you.
It's okay.
I'm telling you, I missed you. I think about you every day. Sometimes I don't even eat because I'm thinking about you. Yes.
I missed you. I missed you 3 much.
I miss
4 much.
10
5
much.
much.
I miss you 10 much.
18 much.
Come here.
Who was that?
That was my hostel mate.
Your hostel mate? So why didn't you pick the call?
Come on, honey. I don't want anything to encroach into my time with you. Did I tell you I bought you so many things? I bought you something at home. Come, let's go. Let me go and show you.
Really?
Yes! Baby, you dey look for wahala, you go see wahala. Superwoman fall in love, you go want to happen in there. Don't touch my baby.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry, I didn't mean to bother you. But you look quite familiar.
When are you guys going to learn a new way of toasting a woman? This your pickup line is boring.
Hold on. Hold on. This is not a pickup line. And neither is it a trick question. I am serious. I think I have seen you somewhere, but I just can't place it exactly.
Really? That's face. Seems I've seen you before once or twice. Are you a student of Anambra State University?
Yes, I am.
That is it. I schooled there to maths department.
That's it! That's it! I said it! I knew I've seen this face before. I knew it! I'm in engineering department and we borrow a course from your department.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Right.
Wow, nice to meet you.
Same here too.
I'm Chibuzo.
Okay, my name is Ginika.
Ginika. So, Ginika, are you from Ichida?
Yes, I'm from this village. And you?
Oh. Well, I'm a full-blooded Ichida boy.
Wow, that is great.
So, how come I've never seen you around? I've never seen you, not even in festive events or anything.
Are you trying to tell me that you've seen all indigenes of Ichida?
Ah, not really, not really. But you in particular, being in the same school, the same village, I mean, nice to meet you there.
Oh, same here too.
So, where are you headed?
I need to go see someone. I have an appointment.
Oh, okay. Well, I want to catch up with a friend over there.
Okay.
So, see you around.
Okay, see you
Take
soon.
good care of yourself. All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Chibuzo! Chibuzo, go live on a Chibuzo.
That's true.
Man, when did you come back?
When I came back yesterday. Oh.
How is school?
School. My brother, school is not easy. School is not easy. Very stressful.
If I get you in school easy and all this tonto that are gallivanting in this village. I mean all these girls, you know, Isiake, they are not going to school. School is not easy, my brother.
Anyway, that's true. Kedu, look at you, man. You're looking good.
One name, man. I'm in the village and happy. I'm browsing my own school.
How is Echezon and Nnamdi? I have not seen them since I came back.
If you go to say Madu, Echezon and Nnamdi, those two. You know what those two are doing now? They are doing Yahoo Yahoo. That is what their chief led them into. Yahoo Yahoo, here and happy in the internet. And they travel to Port Harcourt to do Yahoo Yahoo.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So you mean internet fraud is the hustle they've been talking about all this while? God forbid.
In case so now, internet fraud. That thing you just spoke now is English. You know that idiotic Nnamdi and the Echezona. They wanted to rope me into that rubbish they are doing. That is Ike to start doing Yahoo Yahoo. That's Gambia pure internet. Me. And you know, I refused to join them. And they opened their mouth and said that I'm a fool. Imagine.
Listen, my friend. It is better to be called a fool than to be an internet fraudster.
Okay?
Yes, now. Bam. There are so many ways of making it in life without involving in such shady deals.
Bam. In fact, that is why I'm watching one of this village in Echia. I have to stay in this village, you understand? To browse it and make sure that my destiny is here. My man!
Truly, your destiny is here.
My man!
Good to see you. I told you now, I told you this school is so stressful. Those lecturers and lectures. We have to read in the morning, read at night. We don't even sleep.
So you mean that you read and you don't eat?
Happy far. Not for Margret.
Thank God that you have come back home. Oh, I have something.
Ha! Man, is that what you're saying? Let's go inside.
When a hunter fall in love, plenty. When a soldier fall in love, troubles we run away. But if a superwoman fall in love, you can want to happen in there. Don't touch my baby, oh. If you don't want my wahala, those girls with the shine teeth with my boo boo baby. You they look for wahala, you go see wahala.
Same in my department anyway.
Bia, Chibuzo, who is she?
Baby, take it easy now.
Ask them, take it easy. Just answer my question. Who is she?
She's my schoolmate.
Your schoolmate?
Yes.
Oh, that's your schoolmate that you did not pick her call yesterday. Oh, so you later invited her over here?
Don't be ridiculous.
Is it? I will show you what ridiculous is today. Oh,
hey! You dare not touch her! You dare not touch her! What is wrong with you? Can't I associate with people anymore?
Chibuzo, you wouldn't wage. Eh?
Stay there.
Eh? Oh, okay. You are protecting her as your new one, baby. You're here. Eh, Chibuzo? No problem. As for you, are you not Chinasa? Nwagodi of Wejofo? I know you very well. I know your father. I know your mother. I know your grandparents. I know where you live. Oh, let me even shock you. I know where they buried your great-great-grandfather. Korea, you will hear from me.
I am lost. What is happening? Who is she?
Why don't we go home and eat? Eh? I don't have money to waste.
Don't worry, I'll buy for you.
Let's go there. What are we waiting for?
I'm waiting for someone special.
Hey!
You were.
Hello, ladies. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hi.
We meet again.
Yes. How was the quiz?
It was good. You left when I returned.
Oh yes, I had an emergency lecture.
I see. Anyway, thank you so much for that. Thank you.
It's alright, you're welcome.
If I understand what is going on, he was the good Samaritan that paid for your textbooks. Wow, it's really a small world.
Indeed.
You're quite a nice guy.
Oh, now you ladies are going to make me uncomfortable.
Really?
So, your friends? Wow. It's indeed a small world.
Yes, it is. Guys, let's go for lunch. The bill is on me.
I'm famished.
Let's go, please, let's go.
Those girls when they shine teeth with my boo-boo baby. You they look for wahala, you go see wahala. I no fit fight, but I go fight for you. And anything will worry you, they worry me too. I no go fit leave you for another baby, oh. I go hustle to see I make the money. I go make sure say me and you the jolly. Now me and you go there. Jello, jello, jello. My love, my jealousy.
Eh? Margret, you think that by fighting for a man, you win the love of that man? No! You must lose the man! No man wants to marry a fighter, a tiger. Every man wants a woman that is calculative, a woman that has mental grip, a woman that is biceptically up there, rigid. Margret, you have really insulted Professor Cyril Udemba.